your face, draw back in fear. I am the mask you wear.
It's me they hear. My spirit and my voice in one combined. The phantom of the opera is there.